Asuntoskeittiö Urhan Salpa.
Now this was completely impossible to get inside here on the 3rd of November 2021. This is Raiviosuonmäki 4, stake C. But we will also need to get to the stakes A, B and D later, because this is still a bit original with the B6 fixtures here. Amazing. These 4 plus so 325 grams it's in. Martinlaakso, modernized, Vantaa, Vantaa in the Helsinki coast region, Uusimaa in Finland. 6 floors. Built in 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019, and this number is 17260, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. Nice.
Tippaakin vain hählihtin stort med det på spons.
I just smell the sounds in here.
Same.
Now that's the thing.
That's